air with feels like temperatures only in the 20s, make that the teens along the I-81 corridor, along the Winchester area. We are going to see these winds settle down a little bit later on today and into the overnight. For now, though, satellited radar from Stormwatch 7, we are quiet, we are dry, lots of sunshine, but I'm going to place the latest watches out there for you right now. South of the D.C. Metro, head down toward Fredericksburg, and then areas south and west of town. That's where we have a winter storm watch that is for tomorrow into tomorrow night and Sunday. The farther west you go, already looking at winter storm warnings. So if you have travel plans that take you to Cincinnati, to Indianapolis, or to St. Louis over the next 24 to 48 hours, could be running into some problems. Now, for the metro area, I do suspect that we will see winter weather advisories for our region as we move through the day tomorrow and then through tomorrow night into Sunday. They just have not been posted yet. For the day today, going out to lunch, looking at temperatures that are in the 30s. It's definitely going to be cold out there. Clouds will begin to increase a little bit later on tonight. Temperatures fall into the lower 30s. Now, as you wake up early tomorrow morning, no problems at all. Looking at temperatures around 22 in Gaithersburg, 25 in Leesburg, 22 at Warrenton. We are dry early on, but then as we move through the afternoon hours, we are going to look for light snow to develop to the south and west of us. Light snow overspreads the area as we head into the dinner time hour, and then will continue through the evening into the overnight and then into early Sunday morning. Here's what it looks like 10 o'clock, at least on this computer simulation. As they move through the overnight hours, notice how the snow tries to wiggle its way a little bit farther to the south. 8 o'clock in the morning, still looking at snowflakes inside and around the Capital Beltway before finally models show this clearing out, and then this next phase will arrive later in the day. So for tomorrow, looking at light snow as we move through the afternoon hours. It is going to be cold as the snow begins to fall. Temperatures drop down into the lower 30s. This is what it looks like 7 o'clock in the morning on Sunday. Notice D.C. right over here. I'm going to advance this through the day, and notice how most of the action is suppressed to the south of the D.C. Metro. That is indeed good news for us because that means lesser amounts of snow across our area. Worth watching as the storm finally begins to pull out. Winds will turn gusty along the coast of the Delmarva. Computer models, this is the European model. By 11 o'clock Saturday night, could be looking at around an inch of snow on the ground, higher amounts just off toward the west of us. Moving through Saturday night into early Sunday morning, 8 a.m. Sunday morning, around 2 to 2.5 inches, at least according to this model here. But notice this number right here. As we move through the afternoon hours of Sunday, it does not move at all through the afternoon into the evening hours. And that means that this storm tracking a little bit farther to the south with lesser amounts of snow for the D.C. area. Talk about 7-day outlook. It's going to be cold around here both tomorrow and Sunday. Temperatures around 36 degrees on Monday. We're back into the lower 40s on Tuesday and into Wednesday, and then we'll cool things down a little bit as we move into the following weekend. But a general scale in terms of snowfall totals for the D.C. Metro and close-in counties, around 1 to 4 inches. If you have travel plans to Fredericksburg, could be looking at 3 to 5. And then as you head down toward Richmond, maybe 4 to 8 inches of snow. So
wow.
If you're traveling down 95, come tomorrow night into the day on Sunday, be extra careful and leave extra time.
All right, will do. Steve, thank you. Up next at noon, his career and life nearly ruined. Coming up, a preview of tonight's 2020 that revisits the murder trial of actor Robert Blake.
It hasn't always been easy, has it? There have been days when you doubted yourself and days when you were ready to quit, but you didn't because you had the courage to venture into something powerful, education. If I leave you with just 3 words of advice, never stop growing.
This is your one opportunity to get all the money you deserve.
I chose not to trust the insurance company.
I called the Mike Slocum Law Firm.
They got me almost $1 million.
$200,000.
Call the Mike Slocum Law Firm on the Hurt line right now.
Liberty Mountain Resort, Round Top Mountain Resort, and Whitetail Resort are open and ready for you. Just minutes away from Harrisburg, an hour 20 from Baltimore, and an hour 30 from D.C. This winter, spend less time traveling and more time skiing, snowboarding, and snow tubing at the Snowtime family of resorts. Gather the family. It's time to take a snow day. 3 mountains worth of snow are waiting. Visit takeasnowday.com and drop in.
patients that I see that complain about dry mouth, they feel like they have to drink a lot of water. Medications seem to be the #1 cause for dry mouth. Dry mouth can cause increased cavities, bad breath, oral irritation. I like to recommend Biotene. Biotene has a full array of products that replenishes the moisture in your mouth. Biotene definitely works. It makes patients so much happier.
With these injuries, we are on the hook for a boatload.
I'm going to bury them.
Delay them.
Forever.
They brought in the law offices of Mike Slocum.
Call the Mike Slocum Law Firm on the Hurt Line right now.
Happening tonight, 2020 is revisiting a murder case.